So today I'm going to talk about how to create a story using a context of data visualization. So let's be clear, like what is a story, what is a context. Let's be clear of that first of all. The problem, so any question or problem statement is called a story. For example, right? Let's give you example of the financial institution. Um, so, so for in from the anti-money laundering world, let's say if I say currently we are not capturing capturing enough high-risk customers. That's a problem statement, right? So currently we are not capturing the total not the all high-risk customers. That's a story. That is a problem statement. And when you combine that with the data, then you have a story. So what you see here, so this right here, this is a context, and then using this before state and deploying some models and after state and some recommendation. That's how you create a story. So this becomes this story. Okay. So let's go by step how we do this, how to create a story. So as I said before, first thing is to create a problem statement, right? And once you have the problem statement, then we have this. Let me write the problem statement here. That's a problem statement. So then after that what we do is that um, um, after that what we do is that then we do some then we go to the before statement, before state. So what happens is that what happens is that in a before state is where somewhere is before the experiment is done. It's kind of a misnomer, but it's actually a current state of production of some experiment which has not been deployed yet to production, which has not been deployed yet to production, but it's a before state. What happens is we are doing some small experiment. We are creating a model, a machine learning model, and that identifies high risk, medium risk, and low risk customers. And before state is where before state is where we have the before state is the current state of the production where we do not capture all the high risk customers. Now let's go here. Let's go to the before state, and I write some graphs, right? This is a context of data visualization. This is where you need actually graphs to show to the management or business, where you show that okay, this is the number of customers. So let's say we have this. This is a high risk customer, you know, 30, 300, and we have like a uh, what 1200 1200 medium risk customers, and let's say 4000 low risk customers. So this is a distribution of the customers currently we have in a production, right? So in the sandbox or something, right? In a sandbox or something where we deploy some machine learning models, we deploy some machine learning models. We deploy machine learning, sorry, machine learning machine learning model to identify high risk, medium risk, and low risk customers. And then we go to the output and see, right. We go to the output of the model and see like how many low risk, high risk, and medium risk has it defined, right? Then we will have this kind of graph here. Then let's say it define around like 1500 medium risk and 500 high risk customer, right? Then 200 plus 300, 500, 3500 low risk customers. And you see that like the graph has been redistributed with the more high and medium risk customer and little bit low risk customers, and we said okay, so this is kind of depending upon the and we show and depending upon our threshold, we said okay, this is a we recommend this, we recommend this model to be deployed in production, right? In production, in deployed in production, and and this is a story, and this is the whole become the story that's what we present back to the management, and after we do our trial in the test environment, and we show to the management, and then this is kind of business acceptance testing, business acceptance acceptance in our meeting. We show the story to the management, and they said okay, whether go ahead and deploy this model to the manager, to the production, or don't do deploy to production, so as I said before, like this becomes a context, right? This becomes a this the context is a problem statement. Data is data we gather, data we gather from our production, and this is from test environment, right? This is from test environment, and this is from production environment. This is from test environment, and we show that like the difference in counts of the high risk and low high risk, medium risk and low risk customer. We show difference in distribution before we deploy the model and after we deploy the model, and and what happens there, in the So this is how you do actually, create a story and present that to the management for a business acceptance testing, for the to deploy into the production environment. Thank you so much. This was for today.